Understanding Plant Taxonomy, a guide to botanical classification. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial for anyone interested in botany, gardening, or simply understanding more about the world of plants. We'll be exploring the concept of plant taxonomy. This term might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together in a way that's easy to understand. Plant taxonomy is the science that finds, identifies, describes, classifies, and names plants. It's like detective work for the plant world. Imagine you have a giant puzzle made of all the different plant species on Earth. Plant taxonomy helps to sort out this puzzle, giving each plant its unique place and name. Identification. This is about recognizing and noting the characteristics of a plant. It involves comparing the plant with known species or using keys that guide us through different traits to reach the correct species. Classification. This involves grouping plants into categories. Plants with similar characteristics are placed in the same group. This helps scientists and botanists understand how different plants are related to each other. Why should we care about plant taxonomy? Well, it has several important roles. Understanding plant relationships. By classifying plants, we can understand how different species are related and how they evolved over time. Conservation efforts. Knowing what plants exist, especially rare or endangered ones, is crucial for conservation. Practical applications. In agriculture, medicine, and ecology, knowing about different plant species helps in making informed decisions. Plant taxonomy uses a hierarchical system, sort of like a family tree but for plants. Here's a simplified view. Kingdom. The highest level, which in our case is the plantae kingdom. Division. For plants, we use division instead of phylum. Class. Order. Family. Genus. Species. The most specific level. Each level gets more specific, going from broad groups to individual species. In plant taxonomy, every plant has a scientific name, which is Latin. It consists of two parts. Genus name. This comes first and is always capitalized. Species name. This follows the genus name and is not capitalized. For example, in Rosa canina, Rosa is the genus, and canina is the species. I hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of plant taxonomy. It's a field that helps us understand and appreciate the incredible diversity of the plant kingdom. Remember, every plant you see has a story, a name, and a place in the grand tapestry of life. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the wonderful world of plants.